Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with American funds, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining what budgeting with American funds entails. Research American funds and their offerings to understand available investment options. Identify your financial goals to determine how much you need to budget. Gather your financial information, including income, expenses, debts, and savings. Calculate your total monthly income to establish a baseline for budgeting. List all your monthly expenses, categorizing them into fixed and variable costs. Subtract your total expenses from your income to evaluate your current financial situation. Determine how much you would like to allocate toward American funds investments. Set specific budgeting categories for investments, savings, and spending. Create a monthly budget that includes your investment allocation. Consider using a budgeting tool or app for easy tracking and adjustments. Review your budget regularly to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Adjust your budget as your income or expenses change over time. Establish a routine for monitoring your investments within American funds. Stay informed about market trends and any changes in fund performance. Reassess your financial goals periodically to ensure they remain relevant. Make adjustments to your budgeting strategy based on your performance and goals. By sticking to your budget, you will be better positioned to meet your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.